Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn BR tag in HTML. So let's begin. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and put the bell notifications to all. So let's begin. So a short note here that I am using a different software which is called IntelliJ IDE. It's not compulsory to use a different software. It's not at all compulsory. You can use a notepad or a notepad plus if you have any of them. It really doesn't matter which software you use. It's just the coding. So you can just use a notepad or a notepad plus or any other software like Visual Studio Code and all. After you write your code like I'm writing hello world, you have to save, and if you're in notepad you have to save it as a file, write any file name and then put the extension .html, and then wherever you have to save the file, click on it and it will open on Google Chrome. And if you are typing anything else in the software, what you just have to do is type Ctrl S or save it and then go to the same web page you have opened and then refresh it. It will automatically be updated. Now carefully notice here when I refresh. See, can you see the difference? My name is Ronak, I am 13 years old. I am 13 years old should come in the next line. But why it didn't came? Why? Why? Because we have to use a BR tag. If we just put enter, like my name is Ronak, and then I'll go to next line and type I am 13 years old, it will not work. Why? Why? Because it is a coding, not a simple word. So we have to use tags and coding things. Okay, so BR tag is used to go to the next line in the output web page. My name is Ronak. I am 13 years old. I am a small YouTuber. Consider subscribing. So thanks for watching guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.